You know those pickled mushroom at the Whole Foods salad bar or like the pickled mushrooms in a can? I'm gonna show you how to make it at home. It's so easy. You barely have to do anything. Just throw everything together and to put it in a pot, and that's pretty much it. Starting with 500 grams of mushrooms. I like to pick small to medium mushrooms. If you have really, really big ones, you can just cut it more. And then 5 bay leaves, 10, 12 peppercorns, garlic, minced garlic. I pre-make a lot, and then of course vinegar because that's gonna help a lot. And we also gonna need some oil as well. So for my mushrooms, I'm using the whole box from Costco, and I like to cut off the stem a little bit because I feel like they're just dirty and not cute. And I'm gonna quarter these because they are kind of big. Honestly, I prefer smaller mushrooms, like tiny ones that I can make the whole, but the quarters are totally fine. If your mushrooms are gigantic, just cut it a little bit smaller. We need a pot that's a little deep, and into this I'm gonna add 160 milliliters of vinegar, 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, the peppercorn and the bay leaf, and about 4 or 5 cloves of minced garlic. And I'm gonna wait for the salt and sugar to dissolve before adding my mushrooms. When I add my mushrooms, I like to mix it around a little bit so everything is covered, but here's the important part. We're gonna cover it with a lid so it kind of like steams in it, but we're only gonna be cooking it on medium heat for 5 minutes. That's it, 5 minutes. That is all you need. So right now I'm gonna put the lid on, and exactly in 5 minutes I'm gonna take it off. And I turned off the heat, and I'm gonna let this cool. And after it cools, I'm gonna put it in a jar, or you can also put it in a bowl, doesn't matter. But the key for the flavoring, the intense flavoring, is to marinate it as long as possible. I go for a minimum of 4 hours, but when I have company over and they request me to make this, I make it the night before, so it marinates for over 10 hours. And the more it marinates, the better it gets. And you know exactly what the ingredients are in here. Unlike like the cans, there's a lot of chemicals and preservatives. Here you just made it a few simple ingredients. You might have everything at home. It's gonna be at least half the price of what it would cost to buy it at the salad bar, or even less than half the price. It's so delicious and so quick.